Here are 3 tips to help your business rank higher in Google. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Patrick Malone. I own and operate Kickstart Local. We are a web design and digital marketing company, and we help business owners like you get more leads so they can have more conversations and close more business. In this video, I'm going to share with you 3 different tips to help your website start ranking higher in Google so that you can start getting more traffic and getting more leads. Tip number 1 is going to be your on-page SEO. That's basically the structure and content of your website. I'm actually here looking at a client site of mine that we literally just launched maybe a month ago. I'm going to pull up their old website and kind of show you what we're looking at. So this was the old website, kind of what it looked like. They had a service page, contact page, not a lot of content, not a lot of on-page SEO. If I click on here and go to their services page, again, not a lot of information, just kind of listed out the services that they offered. So one of the first tips I always tell my clients is if you want to rank for a specific keyword or search term, you need to have content built around that search term. And what we do with all our clients is we ask them what their main services are, and then we actually build out service pages. All right, so you can see here, this is our new client's updated website. And as you can see, we have a lot more information. We have their main keywords here at the top, residential, commercial, marine contractor, and dock builder. We built out all the different service pages. So this particular client wants to rank for dock builders and construction in Charleston, dock repairs and maintenance in Charleston, floating docks, boat lifts, erosion control. Now, if you don't have these service pages on here, it's going to be really hard for your website or company to rank. So we always recommend that you build out a separate individual service page for each of your main services and each search term that you want to rank for. So that's tip number 1. Tip number 2, once you have the proper website and on-page SEO structure done, what you want to do is go ahead and take your domain and head over to Google Search Console. You can go to search.google.com or just type in Google Search Console. Go ahead and log in with your Gmail account. This is free to sign up for. What you want to do is it's going to look something like this. You're going to come in here and you're going to put your domain in this box here. Let me just make up one. You're going to hit continue. It's going to say it's not verified, so you're going to need to verify ownership. What I normally do with my clients is I'm going to grab this HTML tag right here. You just copy it, and then you need to paste this on your website. So if you have access, or you can have your web developer do this for you, and it tells you right here where to paste it. So you're going to place it in the head section or the body section of your website. Once you have that pasted on your website and republish your website, you're going to go ahead and click verify. That's going to verify your listing inside Google Search Console. Once that's done, what I like to do is come over here and check out the URL inspection. So let me just grab my client's URL. We're going to go jump in. We're going to paste that in. Now, you can see here this URL is on Google, but if you're doing a brand new website and a brand new web page, most likely it's going to say page not found or not indexed. What you want to do down here is request indexing, and you're going to do that for every page on your website. So we'll go do the home page. We'll submit all the service pages, our work page, about us, contact page. This way we make sure that Google picks it up and indexes your website properly so that you can start showing up in search engine. All right, tip number 3, once you have your proper website structure set up, the on-page SEO done, and you have submitted the URLs and pages to Google Search Console, the next thing you want to do is start doing some off-page SEO. And that's basically getting backlinks from other websites, linking back to your site. Now, I'm going to show you what that looks like for this particular client. As you can see here, this is one of our SEO tools, but you can see we have built 1,300 backlinks and we have 132 referring domains. So this site is brand new. We just launched it a few weeks ago. but all these backlinks are going to increase the authority score. We can already see the increase in keywords this site is ranking for. And right now, obviously we're not ranking, we're not getting any, we are ranking, we're just not getting any traffic because we just launched a few weeks ago. But as these numbers go up, it's going to drive up the authority score. It's going to drive up the number of keywords you're ranking. And then in return, you're going to start getting more traffic. So again, what I'm looking for in the very beginning stages, once we launch our website, you can see here very flat. This is the number of keywords they were ranking for. You can see there were only 5 keywords over the last year or so. And then we launched right here, kind of, I believe, end of February, somewhere around there. And now their keywords are continuing to increase. So the number of keywords that they're ranking for, the number of pages that are ranking are increasing. This is going to continue to go up, and then it's going to drive more traffic, which ultimately brings in more leads so that you can get more business. Now, if I look at the keywords, that's important. It's like what keywords they're ranking for and why we structure the sites the way we do. Let me sort here by position. So you can see here, they're on the second page. So position 14 for Charleston dock builders. That's their primary keyword. And you can see it's not their homepage that's ranking. It's actually that dock building and construction page. So a lot of people don't realize it's not only the homepage that ranks, but it's your internal pages as well. So that's why I always recommend we build out a specific service page for each service that you offer. Dock Builders Charleston SC, you can see it's the main domain, the root domain, the homepage. We got some branded search terms, Charleston Dock Builders, root domain, Dock Builders Charleston. So you can see how these are all very specific, relevant search terms to what this client does. Dock Repair Charleston, you can see that's actually going to the dock building and construction page. I scroll down, dock repair near me. That's going to the dock repairs and maintenance page. Again, this is why we build out the service pages the way we do, is that we want that service page to rank for that keyword or search term that your ideal customer will be looking for. We got boat repair, boat dock repairs, floating docks. We got the floating dock page ranking, boat lift services. We got the boat lift page. So this is pretty, this is a good start for our client. We're going to continue building the backlinks and off-page SEO. These keywords are going to increase, and we've already started seeing some leads coming in for quotes for docks and dock maintenance. So if this is something that was helpful, feel free to like or comment on this video. If you'd like an audit of your existing website or need some help implementing this in your own business, feel free to reach out to me. Either shoot me a message or leave me a comment, and I'd be happy to help you. Thanks.